Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I farm snipers every single day. It's a straightforward process that works like a charm. Let's get started. First we need this Telegram bot called Vortex. You will find a link in the description. Here we prepared a new project and 2 project wallets. For the creator wallet I usually put 2.3 Solana and in the second wallet 0.7. But the second wallet will never buy in, it's just a dummy and needs only 0.2 Solana. Next, we'll need a token which got some attention in the past. I usually take something with a tweet like the one you see on the right half of the screen. This token launched 4 hours ago, perfect. Now we copy the contact address, go to token metadata and press clone metadata. Here we insert the metadata and deploy it. Boom, we successfully cloned the token. We go back to the project and using the launch mode launch plus snipe. Clicking it and we get guided through the process. Dev buy amount 2.1 Solana. Amount snipe wallets, 1. Spend on snipe, 0.1. Buy wallet range, 0.2 to 0.4. Max sniper allowed, meaning auto-selling, we put on 2%. Risk mode, no. Tip amount, 0.005. And that's it, we press enter and launching the token. Boom, you see, it has automatically sold. Some sniper bought for crazy 11%. If we now look into the chart we can see the buys and where I sold. This sniper bought for 3.96 Solana, unbelievable. Instantly after this buy we sold automatically for 2.6 Solana, so we made profit of 0.5 Solana, nice. I repeated this process many times. Sometimes it does not work and you are losing 0.08 Solana. But that's part of the process. Most of the launches are profiting me around 0.1 Solana. That's happening when someone is buying a little bit over 2%. This 11% buy you saw earlier was a lucky launch. This will happen sometimes for sure if you keep trying. Here you can see another launch where I also made a little profit with the same method. You will find all links in the description of the video. Try this method and tell me how it's working for you.